In this video, we're going to do something called the traveling shadow. It's a nightclub two-step move, and we'll show it to you, and then we'll break it down.
So here we go, leaders. We're starting with crossed hands on this. So I'm going to get on the ladies' footwork.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 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 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That was good, okay? Okay, so we're going to break that down. We can start showing you this way. Let's do this way so they can see your footwork.
Okay, so leaders, first thing first is I need to get on the ladies' footwork. We are in shadow position, which means we're both facing the same direction and we're going to be on the same footwork as the lady. Right now we're opposed footwork. So in order to do that, I have to eliminate a step. The easy way to do that is we rock back first with the left foot. 1 and I tap on 2. I'm bringing her into sweetheart position to my right side.
Can we start over?
Again.
1
and tap on 2. Now from here, I rock back, same foot, 3 and 4. Now that sets up, we are both, I'm on the left foot, the lady's on the left foot. Now we're going to go forward, side, back. Looks like this. Forward, side, back. Now we have a rock step coming up. I'm going to rock and I'm going to switch the lady from the left side to my right side as I swing her around in front of me. Watch this. 1 and she crosses in front.
So it's 3 and 4.
I let go of the left hand, turn her with the right hand. There we go.
1 and 2.
Now, we're going to rock back and duplicate that whole maneuver. Rock back. 1 and 2. Forward, side, back again. We rock back. Send her across. Here we go. We're finished doing that. The exit now is I'm going to send her out in front of me and change my feet back. So that's a rock step again. Rock, step, tap for me. Notice she's gone. I'm right to right hand. I'm going to lead a pivot turn. 1 with a hand change, 2. She pivots 3, and we're done.
Okay, now I need to do it again. The timing gets really tricky because we usually say forward, side, back, and that messes up our timing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stay with the count the whole time, okay?
Okay, again on crossed hands.
Let's start this way, and I'll stay with the count. Ready and go. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 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 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So I'd like to do it facing them.
Facing the camera.
See, some of it will be backwards.
Okay, we'll start about here. Again, I'm crossed hands to get this going. Taking her into sweetheart, changing feet. Ready, we go.
1 and 2,
Tap.
3 and 4.
Forward.
1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Here's forward, side, back. See the timing gets off here.
1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Okay. All right. So that's a fun move to do. Try that on the dance floor. See you soon. Bye-bye.